Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is AIRO Group and Bullet to launch joint venture bringing Ukraine's Interceptor drones to US and NATO. AIRO Group Holdings Incorporated and Ukrainian firm Bullet Degree Trans LLC have signed a letter of intent to form a 50/50 joint venture aimed at manufacturing and deploying advanced interceptor drone systems in the United States, NATO defense markets, and Ukraine. The announcement marks a strategic partnership combining Ukrainian combat-proven of unmanned aerial vehicle technology with AIRO's U.S.-based manufacturing and defense infrastructure. Bullet's fixed-wing interceptor drone platform is capable of reaching speeds up to 300 miles per hour, 450 kilometers per hour, with a flight range of 200 kilometers, and payload capacities between 2.5 and 9 kilograms. Its modular design enables rapid deployment and mission adaptability, supporting diverse operational needs in modern aerial defense. This partnership unites the innovation and frontline experience of Ukrainian engineers with AIRO's manufacturing and program management expertise, said Dr. Chiranjeev Kathuria, Executive Chairman of AIRO Group. Together, we will bring advanced aerial defense capabilities to our allies while supporting Ukraine's defense industry. Dr. Kathuria also noted that recent U.S. government policy updates emphasizing investment in domestic drone manufacturing align perfectly with our joint venture objectives, positioning us to meet critical national security needs while strengthening America's defense industrial base. Joining forces with AIRO allows Bullet to expand our proven interceptor technology into new markets, said Vyacheslav Lvovich, director of Bullet. Our shared objective is to deliver rapid, reliable air defense solutions that strengthen Ukraine and the wider NATO alliance. Joe Burns, CEO of AIRO Group, stressed the importance of speed and effectiveness in aerial defense, stating, "For those who serve on the front lines, every second matters." By bringing combat-proven Ukrainian technology into U.S. manufacturing, we're not only building a faster, more agile interceptor platform, we're giving our troops and allies the tools they need to respond decisively to aerial threats and protect lives. The joint venture will focus on expanding production in both the U.S. and Ukraine, accelerating R&D of new interceptor and strike drone variants, and securing contracts with the U.S. Department of War, NATO, and allied defense ministries. The interceptor's real-world effectiveness, proven in Ukrainian operations, underscores its readiness for wider deployment. Coordination with Ukraine's Ministry of Defense is planned, and definitive agreements are expected within 60 days. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.